Hello boys and girls. Today this video is to remind you or teach you how to make a prime and composite chart. Remember, prime numbers are numbers where there's only two factors, one and itself, and composite numbers are numbers that have more than two factors. And so we're going to take the numbers 1 through 100 and we're going to identify the prime numbers in a few simple steps. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my highlighter or pen or whatever, and I'm going to cross out the number 1. And the reason why I'm doing this is because the number 1 is neither prime nor composite, meaning it only has one factor, 1. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to circle my very first prime number, which is 2. And I'm going to cross out the multiples of 2. So multiples, again, remember, means to skip count. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. And I'm going to stop right there because I see a pattern emerging. So the thing I know about the number 2 is that not only is it a prime number, but 2 is an even number. And so if I know what I know about even numbers are divisible by 2. And even numbers end in the digits 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. So that means that every number that ends in 2, every number that ends in 4, and 6, and 8, and 0 is divisible by 2, meaning it's a multiple of 2. So look at that, I've taken out quite a few numbers so far. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to circle the number 3, and 3 is a prime number, and then I'm going to skip count by 3. 3, 6, 9, cross that out, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, and now I'm going to need to add 3 or count 3 spaces. So 36 plus 3 is 39, 39 plus 3 is 42, plus 3 is 45, plus 3 is 48, plus 3 is 51, plus 3 is 54, plus 3 is 57, cross that out, plus 3 is 60, plus 3 is 63, cross it out, plus 3 is 66, plus 3 is 69, cross it out, 69 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 72, 72 plus 3 is 75, cross it out, plus 3 is 78, plus 3 is 81, cross it out, plus 3 is 84, plus 3 is 87, cross that out, plus 3 is 90, plus 3 is 93, cross that out, plus 3 more is 96, plus 3 is 99, cross that out. All right, moving on. The next prime number is a 5. And when I skip count by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, I notice that there is a pattern there, that all of my numbers are either ending in the number 5 or ending in the number 0 or the digit 0. So that means that any number that ends in 5 is a multiple of 5, meaning it has a factor of 5. So I'm going to cross those out. And then I'm going to cross out any number that ends in 0. But I hit those up already when I crossed out the multiples of 2. And so my last step is to circle my last prime number in my first row, which is 7, and cross out the multiples of 7. So I'm going to count by 7. 7 times 2 is 14, times 3 is 21, times 4 is 28, times 5 is 35, times 6 is 42, times 7 is 49, cross that out, times 8 is 56, times 9 is 63, times 10 is 70, times 11 is 77, cross that out. Add now, that's times 11, times 12 is 84. And now all I need to do is add 7 to that, to cross out or see what is the multiple of that. So 84 plus 7 is 91, so I'm going to cross that out. And then 91 plus 7 is 98, and so I am done. Now, the last and final step is to go through your prime and composite chart and circle any numbers that were not crossed out. So you know that they are prime. So I'm going to circle 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. And so if I did this correctly, I'm actually going to go over them with a pen really quickly or a marker so that they're easier to see. 61, 71. All right, if I did it correctly now, there should be 25 prime numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And that is how you make a prime and composite chart. See you later, boys and girls.